Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do language detection using MediaPipe in NextJS application. Now you don't have to use NextJS, use any web framework which you feel like. You can use normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well. But yeah, let's get started. So first what I have done is that I'm following this documentation, and here I have one identify button, and I am passing some one language called Hindi. Like I'm passing some text in the Hindi language, which is a language spoken in India, like one of the languages spoken in India. And if I click on identify, here you can see it is able to identify, okay, it was in Hindi language and it is this much % confident. Now it does not give you the entire like name of the language, it does just give you the code for that particular language, like the language code. But you can easily have one JSON inside your project, like map each and every language to that particular language code and get the entire language name. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first, here I have created a NextJS application, and inside package.json I have installed this MediaPipe task text dependency. Once you install this, go to src page.tsx, and here I have added this use client. This is not related to MediaPipe, this is related to NextJS, because everything in NextJS is statically rendered or server side rendered. That's why I'm using use client, and we don't need this. Okay, and here from MediaPipe task text I have imported file set resolver as well as language detector, and from React I have imported use effect. And as soon as use effect is called, we are just initializing our task text, and we are passing our the CDN. Again, this version will depend on whatever version you are using inside package.json for MediaPipe task text. And here we are initializing our language detector. So here you can pass the language detector model. So that's what I'm doing over here. Next, inside button click, here I'm checking if language detector has been initialized. If yes, then here you can pass whatever language you feel like English, French, German, whatever. I'm passing Hindi. And once we get the result, I'm just printing it to the console. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.